Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself in a fender bender or dealing with unexpected damage, knowing how to file an insurance claim with USAA can save you time and stress. USAA is a top insurance provider, especially for military members and their families, offering reliable coverage for auto, home, and more. Today, I'm walking you through the process step by step, so you can handle it like a pro. First things first, gather your details. Before you start, make sure you have your policy number handy. It's usually on your insurance card or in your USAA app. Jot down all the key info about the incident, like the date, time, location, and what happened. Photos and witness statements can be a game changer here, so snap some pics if it's safe to do so. Next, contact USAA right away. The faster you report it, the better. You can do this through their user-friendly mobile app, website, or by calling their 24/7 claims line. Once you're in, log in to your account and look for the File a Claim section. You'll need to provide those details you gathered earlier, so be as accurate as possible to avoid delays. After submitting, USAA will assign a claims representative to your case. They'll guide you through the next steps, like getting estimates for repairs or arranging towing if needed. Keep an eye on your email or the app for updates. Most claims get processed within a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on the complexity. A few quick tips. Always double-check your policy for any deductibles or coverage limits before filing. And if you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to ask your representative for clarification. Filing a claim might seem daunting, but USAA makes it straightforward. There you have it. Filing an insurance claim with USAA doesn't have to be overwhelming. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances and insurance. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.